What's up, my bonsai friends? Today a short video on an update on my ficus. So this ficus, I bought it at IKEA a while ago, and I did a video on how I fuse the trunks with this tree, and I put a link here above so that you haven't watched that video, go and watch it before you continue on this one. So we are now, I think, almost 3 months later, and now the tree is growing, not that vigor, and we have a lot of dieback, as you can see. And today I will be doing some pruning, and I will remove this wire that I put on because it didn't help with the branch. So I will remove today I will remove also this wire that I put on. Ficus is a great species if you are starting with bonsai. A lot of trunks has died off, so I will prune everything shorter so that the branches that are alive can thrive and get more light inside. So that's why I'm doing this pruning. So we better prune and let the branches that are surviving get more light. I think I will remove the plastic so that we can see inside, because there is a lot of the dead twigs are going. And then we can put a new plastic on it. Oh, this doesn't look very good. We have a little bit of rot going on. So that's good that I have opened it. This is not looking pretty at all. So it was good to take a look what's going on before the whole tree dies. So that's why it's important to always keep an eye on your bonsai. So we can say that the trunk fusion didn't went well. Fusion has to occur very precisely. I think it got too wet inside. Next time I'll try with, after being, we can try again. So that's why the branches were dying. So removed quite a lot of all the things that were getting rotten, and the rot is still on the trunk, but yeah, there's nothing I can do because otherwise, yeah, I cannot prune everything down. So I will leave this for what it is and keep an eye on it to not get wet. I think when I merged them, there was a lot of water that accumulated inside after a raining day. So that's a thing to look out for in the future. So that's it for this tree. If you have watched so far, I want to show you another ficus that I have. I have two ficus, this small one, and I have this one right here. And this is one of my biggest trees. Has a lot of growth. And my plan with this tree is to maybe make two trees out of this one. I will let this part grow, and I'll maybe do air layering right here. So, but this is in the future, or I will leave it like it is and create some kind of twin trunks in the future. It's just something that I am playing with. It's nice to have some experiments also in your bonsai collection. And this one is the tree that I have a long time. One of the oldest tree that I have in my collection. Yeah, I did a repot this year in the beginning of the spring, and it's growing a lot. When the autumn comes and when the temperature starts to drop below 15 degrees, I will be taking this tree inside the house, and yeah, soon I might be wiring this tree, setting the branches on the right position. For now, I let it grow to strength to fill up the pot with a lot of roots, so that we can style this tree maybe next year. And maybe next year, if the summer is the same, I will do a defoliation at the beginning of the spring, of the beginning of the summer. See if it works out or not. But one thing is for sure: if you defoliate it, it also does not help the strength the tree. It's a thing that weakens the tree actually. So I rather not do. But it's nice if you defoliate to then wire all the branches. I might do that next year. So thanks for watching, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag. Like and follow for more.